are accused of turning yourself into a wolf and consorting with the devil.
In a time of fear and superstition.
The plague!
In a world of turmoil and disaster. He was a man tortured by visions he could not explain.
That's him! That's Nostradamus!
Siete Nostradamus.
Enlightened by knowledge.
I will teach you everything I know.
Kept secret for centuries.
If you break this oath, you will be killed. Not by the Inquisition, not by one of us.
He lived as he believed.
It's unusual for a woman to be interested in such things.
You'd rather I slaved over a hot stove.
And followed his passions.
I love you, Anne.
I don't want to be shut out.
It's too dangerous for you.
If you can't treat me as an equal, then find another woman.
The Inquisition will begin tomorrow morning.
You are accused of the worst of all crimes. Black magic, alchemy, worship of the devil.
You predict the death of the king.
I should like to reciprocate. I shall predict your death.
He dared to tell the world.
How could you publish such a book? We'll all burn for it.
Exactly what he saw.
Every night I see the most horrible things. Terrible wars with weapons we can't even imagine today.
Recount your lies.
How can he confess when he is not guilty?
Jackie Carriel, Amanda Plummer, Julia Ormond, Assumpta Serna, Rutger Hauer, and F. Murray Abraham.